What's up, players? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're new to my channel today, I'm so glad that you stopped by. How you doing? So unfortunately, I don't have some snacks for you today, but what I do have is the tea on how to achieve this spring super simple and quick makeup look. Yeah, so you can flex on them wherever you go, whether it's an event or your dental appointment. Yeah, so I got you. Let's get into the video. So I already put down my foundation and I used the Fenty Beauty foundation, and so now I'm gonna use that Makeup Revolution concealer to just set my base for my eyes, and I'm just using a tape to achieve that really nice crisp angled look. You don't have to do this, but I sometimes like to do this if I just want a bit of a sharp edge around my eyes. So yeah, I'm just putting that tape down. You can see it's a little flimsy. Who else hates it when the tape isn't sticky? So that's kind of what's going on with me there. But yeah, I just blend out with a fluffy brush. I blend out my concealer just to make sure that it's evenly spread and laid. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution palette today, and I'm using that orange color first to just put that down in my crease and just have a nice transition color. It's spring, so we want some nice springy colors, some nice bright colors, but not too bright. You know, not too bright to the point where, you know, it's just too much. I want you to be able to wear this anywhere, literally anywhere. So that, as I said, you can flex on them no matter your location. So now we're gonna use that red color to deepen that crease, and I'm using a more pointed blending brush so that I can target just below that orange color to really get a deeper look in the crease. And yeah, I think that would just make the eyes just look more like you did a lot, but you really didn't. So yeah, I'm just still blending that out, making sure it's just completely blended and there's no harsh lines. And now I'm just putting it kind of more in the corner of my eyes to just deepen that side a little bit, just to make the eyes, yeah, a bit darker in that way. And now I'm gonna put down that brown color, and this I'm gonna blend in with that red color that we put just to make the eyes a little bit deeper. You can tell that that brown color is not like a dark brown. I would say it's a medium tone brown because I'm still trying to keep this look soft. So this is a soft glam look. Did I mention that? I'm pretty sure I did. So we're just making sure that we don't go too dark, but then we still want to deepen the eyes a little bit. And now I'm gonna put down that, you know, kind of lightish, I don't know what to call it, like a shimmery beige. And if you notice, I sprayed it first with some setting spray, and that's just gonna wet the brush a little bit, and it's gonna make the color pay off a little bit more, you know, vibrant. And that's a good trick. If you try that out and let me know how it works. So now I'm putting down the shimmery purplish reddish color to just give it a bit of va-va-voom, you know. So I think that's just gonna make the eyes stand out a little bit more. And then this is a neat little trick that I like to do sometimes, and that's like you use that tape that you put down to really make your eyeliner just sharp and crisp, and you can cut your enemies with the sharp liner. I'm serious. how sharp it turns out, you can just slay your enemies with the, you know, the knife of the eyeliner. Yeah, look how crisp it turned out. It just looks like you spent hours doing that, but no. So that's a neat little trick, and comment below if you've seen this trick before. If you have, did you try it out? How did it work out for you? And if you haven't, try it out and let me know how it turns out. So now I'm gonna use these Kiss natural eyelashes. I like them because they don't do too much, and as I said, we're going for a soft glam look. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara first. As you can see, I'm making some ugly it looks like I'm really looking down on a peasant or something. Looks so bad. And I got some mascara on the side of my eyes, so ignore that. I will clean that out later. So I'm just applying those lashes, and later on I'm also gonna apply some mascara on the lashes too, to make them stand out a bit more. It's something that I've been trying out lately. I didn't usually do it before, but I like how it looks when I kind of like the mascara look. Is anybody else with me on that? I kind of like it. So I went off camera and I did my highlight and contour, and now I'm just setting the base a little bit more. I have a highlight and contour video coming out that's gonna be more detailed, so wait on that, check on it. Yes, it's gonna be coming out soon. So I'm just deepening my contour a little bit with a contour powder. As I said, there will be a more detailed video coming out, so just watch out for that. This is all about the eyes in this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna be blending with an angled blending brush. So I just did that in the hollows of my cheeks and around my jaw. And now I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna use those two eyeshadow colors as blush. Yes, I said it. I sometimes use eyeshadow as blush, and yeah, it might seem a little bit weird, but really.
Who gonna check me, boo? I have.
Anyway.
It's not that weird, you know, and I also use eyeshadows for highlight too, yeah, and I'm using like a pinkish shimmery color. I just think it looks kind of cool. Like, I don't know, it looks different, but I'm not putting too much highlight on because, as I said, we're trying to keep it soft. And then remember that beigey shimmery color that I used? Yep, also using it as a highlight on my nose. Didn't see that one coming, did ya? So that's what's going on. And now I'm lining my lips with my favorite lip liner from NYX. I'm gonna put all the products in the description bar, and then I'm just using this nice soft purplish nude as a lipstick, and I really like it. It's a nude that I think will suit every skin tone. So try it out and let me know what you think. And now I'm just gonna set my face with a dewy setting spray by Maybelline, which I love. All right, babes, so that concludes the video, and this is the final look. I really did enjoy doing this, and I think this is gonna be my go-to look from now on. And yeah, I'm so happy you stopped by, and if you have any requests for future videos that you would like me to do, please do make it be known, or forever hold your peace. I'm just playing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.